Exercise. Jenny, exercise.
Exercise 12.
Oh.
Ano to?
Vegetables.
Vegetables. Look, Father, should need lion our best have fruits. Our patola plants have fruits too. Let us pick some of them. Father said, we shall sell them at the market. Mother will cook some too. Haan? Ni Ma'am?
A bit Johnny.
Ni Ma'am Lisa, kat han ko picture no hanggang chat na.
Nagkaroon.